My daughter Tochi is going to attend a big man's school.
Yes!
I can't believe this. Thank you.
But now I can help you.
No. Listen, you will not do that. You can only concentrate on your studies. I have been selling in that school canteen for over 4 years. Never ever needed your help. So once we get to school, film to your classroom.
But mommy, why don't you want me to come out and help you once in a while?
Of course, I love that! Thank you. Thank you for making me proud. What is going on here? It's nothing, just good news. My daughter got admitted to your son's school. On scholarship. My son's school? Yes, I got on scholarship.
What?
You didn't even tell us that you are applying for your daughter in her son's school.
Mom, this girl is not going to my school. She's not even coming there. It's not happening.
Besides, that school is not for poor people like you.
Listen, this girl cannot come to my school. And that is final.
You heard him. You heard my son. He doesn't want you in his school. Adam, try to control this daughter of yours. She has big eyes, always going for things beyond her. Don't you learn to remain in your level? Stop flying above your capacity.
But ma, it has always been my dream to go to Daniel's school.
Keep that dream of yours in your capability. Could you put to rub shoulder with my son? Nonsense. Rubbish. Listen, don't cry, okay? You're not trying to rub shoulders with anyone. You're just living your dream. You're living your dream, so don't stop, okay? You have to live your dream. No one is going to stop you, not even them, because they don't own that school. Just go and make mom proud. No one is going to stop you. No.
Somebody is in a happy mood today. What's going on?
I got the scholarship, sir.
What? You did?
Yes.
Wow. I'm so proud of you, my girl. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I just thought I should tell you about it.
Oh yes, you did very well. This is good news, my darling. Really good news, eh? I am proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. Wonderful result and now scholarship. You're going places. You go places.
Amen.
Hello. Remember our little secret. What is what's the...
That girl cannot come to my school. How did she even get admitted in the first place?
Scholarship I heard. Come to think of it. How were they able to afford the scholarship form? And land is so expensive.
Honey, you talk like you don't know Adama. She's a hard-working woman. Oh yes. And she cares so much about her daughter. Have you forgotten she's on our payroll? And we pay her very well. Plus all the side hustles that she engaged in. She can afford it, why not?
But honey, that girl cannot be in the same school with our son.
Really?
Yes.
Really? Well, in that case, our son should go build his own school. Yes?
I don't like the way you sound about this issue. I don't.
What do you want me to do? No. What do you want me to do to stop a child from attending a school because your own child is attending the same school?
Yes.
Who does that?
Yes. If not that she wants to rub shoulders with my son, why would she apply in the same school my son is going to?
No, Florence, don't be ridiculous. Okay? I cannot stop a child from attending a school of her choice. I don't have the power to do that. And even if I do, I won't.
How did they succeed in getting the scholarship? How? Do you know anything about it?
As the principal or what? No. You're asking me as the principal of the school. Come on, Florence. Come on. Listen to me. I had a long day, okay? I had a long, stressful day. I do not want anybody to add any more stress to me. No. I have to return.
Don't you care about our son's feelings? Don't you?
Of course I do. I also care about other people's feelings. Right? Now, you and your son should... Listen, you and your son should leave the poor girl alone.
Dad.
Leave her to breathe.
Dad, you have to do something about this. You have to do something about this.
Daniel, go up and read your books.
Talk to your husband now. There's something we can...
Can't you see your father is not willing to help? Huh? We're on our own.
I'll make that school so miserable for her that she will never want to go back.
You must be hungry. Here. I kept some food for you in the microwave. Here, Danny.
It's Daniel to you.
Fine, I'm sorry. Daniel, your food, please. Please do me a favor. Be kind to Tochi when she resumes at your school tomorrow. Please, you two should watch each other's back.
Tochi will ever regret coming to my school. I personally make sure of that.
Daniel, please. Danny, please. What was that all? I was telling him, I begged him to help me look after Tochi at school. They should watch each other's back. I have warned you to stay clear, my son. Haven't I? Adam, I will deal with you if you do not keep your distance from my son. Remember, you have a lot to lose. Stay within your limit. We had a deal. We had an agreement. Stick to it. Adama, stay within your limit.
Just what you need, no limitation, no limitation. sensation. You can make it if you only if you try. Just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you only can be just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation.
Mommy, why are they looking at me like that?
Ignore them. My dear, I can't believe that you are a student of this big school. My daughter is a smart girl.
Okay, let me help you.
I can handle this. Once we are in school, forget about helping me. Face your studies, okay?
It's in my bag.
Good. Good girl. Now go to your class. Don't worry, I can handle this. No, your class.
What? Come on, run along.
What? What are you staring at like that?
Run along. You have something to say?
Hey, scholarship.
See her face.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be interesting.
This one is going to be interesting.
It's really interesting. It's 100 naira. I can't imagine.
Loser! Nobody wants to sit with the scholarship kid.
You know, she shouldn't be there. She should be out there saying, I'm not with that.
You're right. Or maybe we should go get us a plate of food or something.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I'm hungry, honestly.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Button up your jacket. I believe you all know we have a new student here, right? Tochi. Can you please stand up and introduce yourself properly? Now, will you stop that?
Isn't it obvious that no one wants to deal with a scholarship student?
Daniel, if you interrupt me again or say anything again, then I will write for your suspension. Tochi. Go ahead and introduce yourself to your classmates.
My name is Tochi.
And?
So, what's that your name again? Tochi. Tochi. Dad? Welcome to Royal Mirror. But I have a few pointers for you though. Benita, you shouldn't be talking to her. Shut it. Shut up. Is it you we should be speaking with? You know, one of these days I will give you a dirty slap. Sophia, listen. Did you pay attention when you got in today? You see how everyone looks nice, neat, and rich. And clearly you and I know that. You don't fit in. You look tacky. So you need to brush yourself up. Okay? If you know you want to fit in here and be accepted, you need to fix this. Understand? And look at my face. See this face? I want it to be printed in your head. Don't mess with this face. Okay? Be a good girl, right? Good. Nice talk. Like I said, welcome to Royal Mirror. My jacket, please.
Refresh. Okay, and then fold down. The page is 700 now.
Mommy.
Yes, dear.
I'm ready.
Okay. What is this?
Mom, it's nothing. I'm ready for school.
Go in and change right now. I mean now.
Mom, but this is what the girls at school wear.
You are not the girls at school. You're not. You can never be anything like them. They can get away with anything. But you're just a girl whose mother, her poor mother is selling at the school canteen. So modesty should be your watchword. Go.
Mom, this has nothing to do with
it. It does. Tochi, why are you letting these people pressure you into what you're not? You want to look like the rude girl and her friends? Instead of you focusing on your studies. Why? Graduating with the best grade from that school should be your utmost priority. And not this. You're almost naked. Look at. Before I open my eyes, you changed already. Now go.
Mom, my other uniform is dirty.
It's not. I washed it. So go and change. Why are you still looking at me? My friend, go and change. I'm so disappointed in you.
I'm sorry.
Talk in that tie and look like a responsible child. Why would you let your peers pressure you into looking like what you are not? Was this your dream? Why would you let this be? Oh, heavens. This is not good.
Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about the periodic table. We're going to discuss about the first 20 elements. But before then, we will try to do some kind of brain booster so that we get ready for the lessons proper. So who can tell me the year the United Nations was established?
1945.
Oh, I can see that Daniel is such a bookworm now. So tell me, Daniel, how many minutes are there in 1 week? Unfortunately, the bookworm does not know the answer. So who can tell me how many minutes we have in 1 week?
9,000.
That is wrong.
9,500 minutes.
That is wrong again.
10,080 minutes.
Correct. A round of applause for Tochi. I said a round of applause for Tochi right now. Now you, who is the president of South Africa?
Me?
Yes, you.
Mrs. Know-it-all.
What do you want, Daniel?
What do I want? I want you to leave my school.
Your father did not build this school, did he?
Tochi or whatever you call your name. See that rubbish you put in class today? Trying to interrupt me when I'm trying to get the answer to a question. Let it not repeat itself again.
You were not fast enough. And if you...
This is my tough, Tochi! And you better stay out of my way. Else, I'll make you the most hated student in Royal Mirror. And this is not a warning. Daniel, what's happening? Just put this pump by now.
Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you want to be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. It's stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take. And
Look, guys. See what the scholarship kid is drawing. Rubbish.
Give it back.
This is rubbish, man.
Give it if it's rubbish.
Daniel.
Listen, you're good for nothing. Is it not clear to you that this school is not for the likes of you? Nonsense.
Give me back my throwing.
just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you only if you try. What you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you only if you can be just what you want, and you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you.
Mom, the kids in that school are so mean. They call me names. They hate me so much. I overheard one in the restroom. She was calling me a dirty poor girl.
Honey, don't mind them. And don't let their words get to you. Hmm? So don't let those children intimidate you. Hmm? You or who you think you are not what they say you are. Wash their words off you. It's just words.
It's not that easy, Mom. I wish it was. I feel like I'm walking on eggshells in that school.
It's because they know that you're a special and intelligent girl. You're better than most of them. Hmm?
I wish I had friends, though.
What? Trey is a nice kid. I thought you both will be friends by now.
He hasn't said a word to me.
Oh. Don't worry. Hmm? Soon you'll make friends. Good ones.
So.
Read your books! Come on. You make good friends. Trust me. It's always like that. When you change school after your junior YA to a new school, you're bound to have all this. Before you say Jack, your intelligence will bring them to you.
The scholarship kid is obsessed. I was just reading. Don't worry, no need to be afraid. I won't tell anyone. Nice book. You like him, don't you? He's mine, you know. But he's not yours. Yet. Oh, shut up, Sophia. Shut up. I do not know what you are talking about. It's fine. I understand. Trey is a very handsome boy. And every girl in this school wants him. Stay away from him. Good? Hey Trey.
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm just reading the book. What's happening? What's going on?
Oh, not much. Just came to see what you're up to. So what did you say you were doing?
Just some action.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance.
Thank you. Well, I want the job.
Okay.
So high in the sky, without you reach upon a limitation.
Now I want goat meat.
You and goat meat. Don't worry. I'll make it two today. There we go.
Thanks, man.
Whatever.
Let me get water.
Don't tell me you're buying this trashy food. Guy, what do you mean? I like her food and I always eat it. What's your problem? What's your business? Suit yourself then.
Danny, don't be mean. Come have something to eat.
Mommy, let him go.
And here we are, Terry.
Thank you, Mama.
So how's school going?
Mommy, you always mistake me for Terry. It's
Trey.
Trey.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry, Trey.
That's fine.
I hope you've met my daughter.
Um,
It's okay. It's okay. She's dating.
Hi, Frederick.
Trey here is one of the few students in this school that is nice to me.
Sorry, Mom, but there are all soulless creatures in here.
Don't say that, honey. They're just kids. They will grow out of it someday.
The fact that they're kids doesn't give them the right to be mean. And some people will do nothing about it. Imagine how Daniel spoke to you. And he said nothing.
But what do you have him do? You seem you're angry. What is the matter?
Mom, I should just go.
Finish your food. Trey, I'm sorry about it.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Are you mad?
I am so
Come here, sir. Come on. Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Don't you see? Come here, I'm talking to you. Come on, go down, sir.
I said I'm sorry.
Go down, I'm talking to you. Come on, go down. Is there something wrong with you? Are you mad? Don't you see, eh? Don't you see? I'm down.
Leave him alone!
Are you mad?
Are you okay?
Don't you dare speak to me like that again.
I will speak to you however I want. You do not own this school.
I will make sure you and your mother pay for trying to frustrate my life. What you mean?
Do you need a hand?
Yes.
Daniel, he really stresses me out a lot. He's my biggest trigger.
Thank you so much, teacher. Thank you.
You know my name?
Yes, I know everybody's name. Thank you.
you okay? Are you okay?
Yes,
Are you
Mom.
sure you're okay now?
Yes, Mom. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're okay now?
Yes, Mom. I'm fine.
This thing is getting worse.
Mom, please do not worry. It's nothing to worry about.
Oh, I should worry.
No.
We have to go for checkup.
No, it doesn't go into that, honestly. It's just one of those nights I have attacks. And I'm fine now.
You sure?
Just go back to bed, please, Mom. And just go to bed. I'm fine.
I don't forward with no intentional in that way.
I don't know. Always.
Should we take you to the hospital?
Don't you know we can't afford it now? I'll just spoil that time massages again.
Oh, we did that yesterday.
And it subsided.
I don't think I'm going to school again. I have to stand take care of you.
The sky is white for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be. Just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take and every move you make.
Why are you still drooling over him?
And who should I be drooling over?
Me, baby. Listen, you don't need to drool after me. Just say the word and I'm all yours.
You know, Danny, I don't know what you see in the mirror every day that makes you think I would want to date you. No one wants to date a bully, okay? So please, get that idea off your head. It could never happen in this life, in the next, and the one after. You see this? It's never going to be a thing, okay? So please get your raggedy self out of here. You. Haven't I warned you to stay away from my man?
What man?
Oh, come on. Stop playing ignorant.
I wonder whether she thinks we're fool or not. We saw you trying to get Trey to notice you, darling.
What? He doesn't even notice me. But I saw you come out of his car this morning.
He just gave me a ride, that's all.
Did they carry me play, Abby? Huh? When I'm talking to you, bring down your hand. You are playing with me. This girl thinks I'm playing with her. Do you think I'm playing with you? Hmm? Do you think I'm playing with you? I know you like him, and you know I like him too. I thought you said it is yours.
Technically, she's still shooting her shot.
See, I want you. I could just take this message by body and want you. Why did I don't know how to talk? You don't have sense. What did I foolish fool? You! Let this be the last time I warn you. Stay away from my man with your tacky, dirty, impoverished looking self. If you come near him again,
You know, you need to learn to speak with intelligence, Sophia.
Says a girl who can't spell assembly.
I only missed an S, girl.
An S?
If you come near Trey one more time, you know what? Drop. Go down.
I see your mom is not doing too well for herself.
Are you indirectly trying to say something?
Now, I told you both of you will pay for your insolence, right?
Did you cause my mom's fall? Did you cause my mom's fall?
I'll end your life here right now if you don't respect yourself. Hey, what are you doing? I'll end your life right now. Are you mad? Hey? I'm talking, are you mad?
Stop!
Respect yourself again.
Daniel, what's your problem? Are you insane? Guy, why will you lay your hands on a woman?
Bro, she started it first.
And so?
I'm sorry. God, you don't even know what happened.
Can you see yourself?
Are you serious right now?
Shut up, please! And as long as I'm in this school, you will not lay your hands on any woman again, okay? You bully.
This Lucas is playing the weddings. What's your problem with this girl, Daniel? My problem is that she dreams too big. She's not supposed to be in this school. I don't understand. Can you hear what's coming out of your mouth?
Can you look at how she's playing with these weirdos?
Daniel, what's your problem with this girl?
My problem is that she dreams too big, man. She's not meant to be in this school.
I don't understand. Can you hear yourself? No, can you hear what's coming out of your mouth? She can go to whatever school she likes. Is she not a student like everyone here?
Then why must it be this one? There are so many schools out there. Why must it be this one?
Why not?
Oh, you don't understand. Imagine being in the same school with your maid.
Daniel, Tochi is not your maid.
Her mother is my maid. So that automatically makes her a maid too.
Her mother works and cleans in your house. So, and even if she's your maid, just free this girl.
Why are you even taking sides with her? Oh, you think I've not seen the way you look at her, Abby?
And what do you mean by that? No, wait. What do you mean by the way I look at her? Just free this girl, guy.
Me, free her. I made a promise to myself that I will make sure I make her life so miserable in this school. And I will not stop until I do that.
Daniel, what will you gain from that?
Everything. Happiness, peace of mind, everything, bro. Everything.
Daniel, I think you're just a sadist. Put yourself.
So I've seen that you decided to take my friend away from me too.
Honey, you're back. I am fine. How was you? So, is everything alright? Why would you say that? See, I know that Daniel is a handful, but he can never do anything like that.
What do you mean trying to make it that way? He doesn't even care about you.
He is young. Teenagers is wild. And Daniel is just being a teenager.
Did you think that I'm going to be a teenager and do something bad? I know what you're saying. Why do you care so much about that boy, even more than your own daughter? Daniel doesn't care about you. He has tried to show you who he is countless times, but you refuse to see it.
You're making him look like the devil.
Because he is the devil.
No, he's not.
Because your fault.
But you were just looking for someone to accuse. I'll be fine. Okay?
Really, Mom? Really, Mom?
Yes, you don't. Your constant fight.
Yeah, that's because the main clause in a complex sentence is the fact that it makes sense if it stood on its own without the rest of the sentences. So if you're coming to linking clauses in complex sentences, Tochi, are you fine? Tochi. You know what? I think we should just go to the super. You guys just continue with that. told me about your condition and she told me to look after you. Something like
No, I'm fine,
that.
Trey.
So it's okay.
She'll be back, she'll be back.
Mommy, you do not seem to be getting better.
I can't stand.
Oh, God. Let me go to the big house and inform them.
Tochi, please, I don't want to disturb anyone. Please. Tochi, please don't go. Tochi.
My mother. I'm sorry, my mother, she's sick. We need to get her to the hospital, please.
What do you want exactly?
My mother, she's sick, ma, please.
And how is that our business?
She's sick.
What is wrong with your mother?
The fall yesterday affected her badly and she cannot stand up.
That's a minor fall. Is that why you're panicking? It's a minor fall. I should be fine.
Why is she even disturbing us with this? Why is she even bothering us?
She's worried because it's her mother.
If she's worried, she can take her mother to the hospital herself.
Oh no, Daniel, please, I beg you. Ma, please help me. Please help me, my mother is really sick, I beg you, please. Ma, please do something for me.
Leave my leg!
Please, ma.
Listen, go and boil hot water
Ma,
and press on the affected
it's
area.
not working. Please, ma, please help me.
Just because of simple fall, it's not working.
Please, I beg you, please, my mother.
Hey. What is going on here? Are you alright?
Yes. No, sir. My mother is sick and she cannot stand up.
Really?
Where is
she? Where is she?
She's inside, sir. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nonsense. So let me teach you. Agameje never Christi Rindi Mama. Sing it. You don't have to mimic me. Sing
Okay.
with your own tone.
Right.
Agameje never Christi Rindi Mama.
Agameje never Christi Rindi Mama.
Rindi Mama. Agameje never Christi Rindi Mama.
Look at them. We even have the voice to sing. How can you be so mean? How can both of you be so mean? This girl walked up to you, begged and begged for your assistance, but you turned her away. How can you be so mean? Huh?
But I thought it was a small thing, something just hot water can solve, you know?
Oh, really? Did you go to check? Did you accompany her to go and check, to go and see? That woman has hip dislocation and she's going to be in the hospital for a while.
How am I supposed to know?
Like my mother said, she thought it was a minor thing, and we actually thought she was lying. You know, you can't just believe the words of a common slave.
Shut up there. Look at her. Who is your slave? Huh? You're a slave to your foolishness. You are a slave to your foolishness.
You are so wicked, Daniel. So heartless. I promise you, you and your mother will have a taste of your own medicine.
You heard it. You heard it right.
I heard it.
Yes.
Did you just hear what she said to me?
I heard it.
Did you hear how
You said you're going to have a taste of your own medicine. That's what she
You see how disrespectful she is to me.
Oh, did you respect yourself before her? Did you?
You're too soft to this girl and her mother. I don't know what is going on. Huh? How can you just allow her to talk to me like that? Instead of you to give us that slap with your backhand.
Florence, I am disappointed. And that is to say the least. You.
Can you imagine? If your sisters were to be here, they would have slapped this. In fact, this girl would have been blind by now for speaking to me in this manner.
No, I didn't touch her because of that. If not, she would have joined her mother now. Trust me now.
Daniel, listen. Promise me you're not going to touch this girl or any girl for that matter. Promise!
I am sorry about your mother, my dear.
I'm so scared.
Oh, no, there is nothing to worry about. She will be fine. She's in the best of hands, okay?
Sir, I have to go and get ready to go back to the hospital.
No. She told you not to come back. So don't worry. You have school tomorrow.
But I cannot leave her all alone, dear.
She will not be alone. I have instructed the doctors. I told them what to do. She's in the best of hands.
No, there's no way I can be here. My mother will be there. I cannot stay without her. So I'll go to the hospital very early tomorrow morning. I'll come back and get ready.
I know nothing I will say will convince you. So let's do it this way. You get ready. I'll drop you at the hospital. Then I'll come back early in the morning to pick you for school. Is that all right?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So just put your things together. I'll drop you. Don't worry, she will be fine. I saw her myself. Okay? The doctors are on top of it. And they're the best we can have now. Huh? Cheer up.
Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky without you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. You're stronger than it feels. It seems to weigh you down with every step you take and every move you make. Your light will keep on shining. Just learn from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. You can make it if you want.
Tochi.
You have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation.
Good afternoon, ma.
Your mother hasn't been well for a while. We'll have to hire someone else to help in the meantime. The housemaid has gone to the market to get something, so we need some help.
Okay, ma.
See, Tochi, at least you just have to help your mother in some ways. Have to stand in for her, else she loses her job.
I will stand in for her, ma.
Good. My son just got back from school and he has a visitor. I need you to go in there and attend to them.
Okay, ma, I will do that. But let me change out of my uniform.
Hey, get back here! Go in there and attend to them right now.
Okay, ma.
Move it!
Hi, Tochi. Hi. So I heard that your mom is unfortunately in the hospital and you've been finding it difficult getting to school. You know, I and the girls, we could always come pick you up.
Oh, no, you do not have to bother.
See, I know that I have been mean to you and I am sorry, okay? Thing is, you are a perfect fit for my team of friends. Yes. So I hope you can find it in your heart to please forgive me. Okay? Nice earrings, by the way. Really cute.
Wait. So you didn't even bother to wash your uniform?
Like, dirty girl. Like, dirty. Why? Oh, goes me. I swear, I don't know how this got here. Well, lucky for you, I always carry an extra pair of skirts with me. You? Hiss! Thank you so much, Benita. You really saved me. She would have made fun of me all day.